Understanding electrical power factor and the power triangle. Introduction. In the realm of electrical engineering, the concepts of power factor and the power triangle are fundamental to understanding how electrical power is consumed and managed in various systems. These concepts play a crucial role in both the efficiency and the stability of power systems. This article aims to provide a comprehensive overview of electrical power factor, the power triangle, and their significance in electrical engineering. What is power factor? Power factor is a measure of how effectively electrical power is being used by a system. It is defined as the ratio of real power measured in watts to apparent power measured in volt amperes. Mathematically, it is expressed as real power P is the actual power consumed by the electrical system to perform useful work, such as turning a motor or lighting a bulb. Apparent power S is the product of the current and voltage in the circuit, without considering the phase difference between them. The power factor can range between -1 and 1. A power factor of 1 or 100% indicates that all the electrical power is being effectively converted into useful work. Conversely, a power factor of 0 indicates that no real power is being consumed, which is highly inefficient. Types of power factor. Leading power factor. When the current leads the voltage, the power factor is said to be leading. This typically occurs in circuits with capacitive loads. Lagging power factor. When the current lags behind the voltage, the power factor is said to be lagging. This is common in circuits with inductive loads, such as motors and transformers. Importance of power factor. A high power factor is desirable for several reasons. Efficiency. A higher power factor indicates efficient utilization of electrical power. Utilities often charge penalties for low power factor because it indicates inefficient power usage. Reduced transmission losses. A higher power factor reduces losses in the electrical distribution system. When the power factor is low, more current is required to deliver the same amount of real power, leading to increased losses in the form of heat. Cost savings. Improving the power factor can lead to significant cost savings on electricity bills, as many utility companies impose charges based on the apparent. The power triangle. Power triangle is a graphical representation that shows the relationship between real power P, reactive power Q, and apparent power S. It helps visualize the effects of different types of power in an AC circuit. Components of the power triangle. Real power P, represented on the horizontal axis. Real power is the actual power consumed by the load to perform useful work. It is measured in watts. W. Reactive power Q, represented on the vertical axis. Reactive power is the power that oscillates between the source and the load due to inductance or capacitance in the circuit. It is measured in reactive volt amperes var. Apparent power S, represented by the hypotenuse of the triangle. Apparent power is the combination of real and reactive power. It is measured in volt amperes var. Power factor. Angle /theta between the real power and the apparent power in the power triangle is known as the power factor angle. The cosine of this angle gives the power factor /cos /theta equals /fruct p. As a smaller angle indicates a higher power factor, implying more efficient power usage. Calculating power factor. To calculate the power factor in an AC circuit, one can use the following formula. Phi equals /cos /theta equals backslash fruct PS, where P is the real power in watts, S is the apparent power in volt ampere. Alternatively, if the reactive power Q is known, the power factor can also be determined using phi equals backslash fruct P backslash S QT P caret 2 plus Q caret 2. Power factor correction. Power factor correction involves adjusting the power factor of a system to improve its efficiency. This is typically done by adding capacitors or inductors to counteract the effects of inductive or capacitive loads. Capacitive loads, for circuits with inductive loads, lagging power factor, capacitors are added to provide leading reactive power. This reduces the overall reactive power and improves the power factor. Inductive loads, for circuits with capacitive loads leading power factor, inductors are added to provide lagging reactive power, balancing the reactive power and improving the power factor. Benefits of power factor correction. Improved efficiency. Power factor correction reduces the amount of apparent power needed, improving the overall efficiency of the system. Reduced transmission losses. By reducing the current in the system, power factor correction minimizes transmission losses, which translates to energy savings. Cost savings. Many utility companies charge based on apparent power consumption. Improving the power factor reduces apparent power, leading to lower electricity bills. Practical considerations. While improving power factor has clear benefits, there are practical considerations to keep in mind. Sizing of correction devices. Proper sizing of capacitors or inductors is essential to achieve the desired power factor improvement without overcorrection, which can lead to instability. Harmonics. Adding capacitors for power factor correction can sometimes introduce harmonics into the system. Harmonic filters may be necessary to mitigate this issue. Maintenance. Power factor correction devices, such as capacitors, require regular maintenance to ensure they operate effectively and do not degrade over time. Conclusion. Understanding electrical power factor and the power triangle is crucial for optimizing the performance and efficiency of electrical systems. Power factor represents how effectively electrical power is used, while the power triangle provides a visual representation of the relationship between real, reactive, and apparent power. Improving the power factor through correction techniques offers numerous benefits, including enhanced efficiency, reduced transmission losses, and cost savings. However, practical considerations such as device sizing, harmonic mitigation, and maintenance must be addressed to achieve optimal results. In today's energy-conscious world, efficient power usage is more important than ever. By mastering the concepts of power factor and the power triangle, electrical engineers and technicians can contribute to more sustainable and cost-effective energy management practices.